Let me talk a little bit more about the pen tool over here. In some cases, you may see that in certain areas of the thing that you are drawing, you may need more anchor points. Perhaps because you need more detail. So for example, when you got here, you need a lot of anchor points just to draw all those curves. So what about if after you have drawn the entire silhouette like I did here, you see that you need more anchor points, perhaps, I don't know, here because you want to have like, several indents in there. What about if you need more anchor points down the road? Well, fortunately, you can use the pen tool also to add and erase anchor points. If you select the line, like I'm doing over here, if you select the path that you drew before, you can go to the pen tool, and then let's say that you want an anchor point in here. It's just a matter of hovering over there, and you will see there is a plus symbol in there. That means that if I click here, I will be adding a new anchor point. And then if I click here, another anchor point, and another anchor point, and another anchor point. And each one of those can be manipulated. I can go to the white selection tool and select this one and move it up, move it down, move it up. So you can add as many anchor points as you want along the way, down the road. There you go. Another one, another one, another one. But what about if you decide that you don't need them anymore? Well, it's that easy as, it's as easy as going to the pen tool again, roll over any of these anchor points, I will see that a minus symbol shows up, means that if I click here, Illustrator will remove this anchor point. If I roll over there, if I hover over here, it will remove that anchor point, remove that anchor point, remove that anchor point, remove that anchor point, and remove that anchor point. And then perhaps I can even remove this one. So I can click in here and I will have a straight line. I don't really want that to happen. So I'm going to just undo. So you can add or erase anchor points just by clicking on the line on a segment to add more anchor points in between, or clicking on anchor points with the pen tool to erase them. That is the way you can add more detail to a line in the case that you need more detail on a silhouette, on the silhouette of the object that you are drawing.